Welcome back to my channel. So today I won't be showing you too much detail of this DIY, but I have this fan covers that I thought that I had gotten. I got one of these quite a while back and I spray painted it on my IG, on my Instagram stories. I don't know if this is my highlights, but it should be. But I got these other ones a little later. So these ones are from Gikomba. This one I picked up from where I used to work when I used to work at a law firm. So the downstairs of the building were getting rid of them, and I only managed to find one, although I know there were two of them. So yes, I was hoping to do two different sizes of this one, just to create some sort of woven type of thing. I don't even know how to explain it, but yeah, I was hoping to do something different. But yes, so I'm going to be spray painting all of this, and then it should go up in my office tentatively. However, it could change. I could put it up in the living room if I find it fit, or if I find the what are they called, smaller sizes of this, I could actually put them up above my couch where the wreath currently is. Yeah, if I feel like that's the kind of look I'm going for. Since it's not cold anymore, because it's not hot anymore, and the wreath I had was for summer, and this would be more, I don't know, fitting. So we'll see. So I'm just about to clean them. I'm going to clean them and then I'll spray paint them so they're this, and then you guys will see them. Then I want to also hook up some fairy lights to them, just to create ambience. Just for ambience, and kujisikia tu vizuri, kujipenda tu. That's what it is. So yes, this is my sort of fake DIY, because I'm not gonna show you the process. It's quite late outside. It's 8 o'clock in the night, and I feel like spray painting. I really don't want to put this off for another day, so I'm just gonna do it. Then you guys will see the final process. But anyway, you've seen my process. You know how I spray paint. I clean the item first, and then I use an 18 karat metallic spray paint from Abro. Yes, which I get from downtown Kirinyaga Road. I have a different video which I'll tag down in the description box for you guys to see, just in case you're interested. But I've shown myself spray painting things before, and I don't think this is any different. It's just that the result, or whatever it is that I'm spray painting, is gonna be something completely different. So yes, I really hope this is not a disappointing video for you, if you're hoping to actually see me doing the spray painting. But yeah, you'll see the final result. Okay guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe as usual. Yes, I love when you support my channel. Ciao. Hi guys, another day, another DIY. So I had started this out. So I started this before. Let me just show you. So I'm about to I was waiting for some fairy lights to come to me from Amazon, and I got them. Now I'm about to wind them up. So I joined the fans to each other on using this fishing line. So you can't see it. It's it's almost invisible. There you go. So I joined the three of them, and yes, I know I had put up a wreath, but then I went for a baby shower and I kind of used the wreath for something else, and then someone wanted to keep it, so I let them have it. And since it's getting colder anyway, let me just try and warm up the room with some different lights. So I'm going to be stringing the fairy lights into the spokes of this wire, and then I'll show you guys the results. Okay, let me prop you up somewhere here. That took you a whole year to complete, because this is my DIY today. I have already done the basics, I think. So you guys are seeing it in one video. I've literally done it over the course of a year, because I needed different parts of it, and as it is, I'm still not happy with it. I still feel like I need to add more, but I'll show you. So in, I think, one part of the video you'll see me spray painting it. In this part of the video, or before this, I think I'd explained that I was stringing fairy lights, and let me just show you the pack of fairy lights I was using. This is it. So I literally had to wait for someone to bring them, to ship them to me, because, well, I bought them and then someone was coming and they brought them to me, because I didn't want to ship them. It would have been a whole story. Anyways, so I've used them here. Let me show you. Remember my jar? You guys remember this jar? Let me show you how it looks at night. I hope that doesn't give anyone an epileptic fit. And so I also strung them onto my fans. So as I explained, I got my fans, I just picked them up. Then for the other two, so let me just show you. So for this one, I picked it up at an office I used to work at, and then for this two, I bought them at Gikomba. So I'm looking for 2 more or 3 more. They're like small ones, different size ones, to add so that it's a bit more of a chunky design. But I'll show you guys. So I've just strung the fairy lights. That was a bitch to do, I won't even lie. And then I realized this one has a lot more. So I put a lot of I strung this one a bit too much. This one didn't get as much, and then this one got a lot. Okay, not, well, almost enough. And then I'll be sticking the battery pack to the back of this. Then, so these come with a remote. So I still haven't figured out how the remote works, but I'll show you what they look like. And they come on. Okay, if I can find it today. Yeah, let me set you guys down as I finish that and then hang it up on the wall. there. I don't know if they can see you though.
Hey guys. Bye.
Okay guys, so as you can see, that's done. The thing is, I feel like what happened. Okay, better lighting. So I feel like though it's still a bit bare, like it's kidogo, like it's not filled out the wall the way I'd want it to fill out the wall. So I'm still looking for more fans, more fan covers. So if you see any that you think would suit me, then please let me know. Hala, if you see it on the side of the road, I am not opposed to coming and getting it, so let me know. I think I'd want two small ones to go up like that. That way it moves the piece. I don't know, sometimes artist vision, you can't see until you see. So I'm looking for 2 more to go up that way, and then maybe 1 smaller one on that side, so that I have different sizes and different, like it adds a different feel or depth to the room on that side, because I feel like the wall is still it's still bare. Like I need to feel a huge, like some little bit more, so that it's just more elaborate. Yeah, so anyway, that's today's video. Let me turn this one off. I'm trying to figure out this remote. I don't know why I can't seem to switch it on or off. Yeah, so I need to switch this. I need to figure this out. Video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Share with someone you think would love my content, and yes, just show me some support. I really enjoy or hearing back from you, especially those of you who always tell me that my channel is something that they hadn't seen or hadn't expected, or wish they discovered a while back. So yes, tupendane, show me love, and I'll keep creating content. Thank you.